Hi everybody and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here today to show you the install and talk a little bit about our brand new product. This is the auto flasher module for the white mirror lights, and as you can see, this is what you're going to get in the box. It is now plug and play, no cutting wires. You get a little momentary switch to change the pattern. You can mount this anywhere you like, or you could tuck it up under the dash. So you're going to get the module as it sits. You're going to get one zip tie, and let me show you the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a 10mm socket. We're going to be working underneath this dash panel right here. The way this comes down is it unclips from all the various spots. The easiest way is to just grab it right here and give it a pull, and it'll pull back on. You can free up the wiring a little here with these clips and this one push tab. You can also pull this out, give yourself a little bit more, let that drop all the way down. These are just some push tabs in here. Once you get that free, you got 10mm bolts holding the crash guard in 4 spots. So go ahead and remove those bolts and then remove the crash guard. Let me try to zoom in here a little bit and show you. This is the mirror control module underneath the dashboard, and there's 2 ties that you might want to pop out. This one is going to be here on the wires. It usually is tied right back here, and then as you can see on the other side of this, there's this little tie, and then these tabs fold down into the metal here. See, just like that. So the tabs come up, then you can free this all the way up. And you can look at this right here, and I bet you're starting to see a similarity between that green plug right there and this green plug right here. So what we're going to want to do is unplug that green plug, just like that, and we're going to insert our module. So once you have these plugged back in, of course, test your operation, make sure everything's working good. Then you will simply remount this back where it goes. You can take this module here, and you can use the included zip tie to tie it off right here to the dashboard, to any of this metal back here, or you could tie it into this wiring harness, whatever you like. And what this is going to do is it's going to change the function of these switches. Right now, this is your left mirror, this is your right mirror. However, when we put our module in there, this is now your strobing mirrors, and this is both mirrors steady. And this does work at any speed, key on or key off. No key needed, and it'll work at any speed. So let me show you out front what I'm talking about. Now, the right switch is on right now. And as you can see, the mirrors are now steady. No key operation. This will work at any speed. So there's no speed limiter on this for off-roading. If you like those mirrors lit up while you're off-roading, no problem. Now, the steady on will override your flashing. So if your flashing is on and your steady is on, you're going to get steady only. But if you turn that steady off, let me show you what that's doing. Now you can see we've got an alternating triple flash on those white mirrors. So very simple, uses the factory switches. I didn't want to have to cut any switches in. This is the most easiest kit we can make here for white mirror flashing. So plug and play. Hope this is informative. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Talk to you soon on the next video.